Hello, this is Jeff with Sid Happens Dog Training, and you're watching a video of our puppy of the month, Decker, a standard poodle. I had the real pleasure of meeting Decker and his entire family shortly after he arrived at his new home. They gave us a call to arrange for what we call the free consultation. This is where we get together. We start off by giving you a demonstration with one of our dogs. We explain our approach, the way we train dogs. And then after meeting you and your dog, we make a recommendation on the best program we have to help you. They decided to sign Decker up for the outdoor training program, which does include a couple of in-home private training sessions. This is just to get everybody up to speed on how we do things. After those were done, anybody in the family was able to bring Decker out to the park training classes. We believe in training you to train your dog in a park setting. And as you can see, after attending only a few park training classes, they now have Decker off leash, in a park setting, around other dogs, a very distracting environment. And most importantly of all, you can see Decker is still a very happy puppy dog. You see, we reward dogs with praise. Well done, you guys. Outstanding job.